Anthony Joshua is set to go down against Otto Wallin, and I'm pretty much looking forward to this fight. I believe this event in Riyadh might actually bring some fireworks. I believe we are going to watch a great slugfest. Wallin has excellent counters and only one loss. He is dangerous, 6'5", 78 inches of reach. For me, the best ever Swedish boxer. That fight against Murat Gassiev was so close. I didn't think he won. Judges said he did. He lost to Tyson Fury, but defeated Rydell Booker, Kamil Sokolovsky, Dominic Breazeale. He's got excellent cardio. And Anthony Joshua, 26-3-0, 6'6", 82 inches of reach. Gonna have massive reach advantage. Losses to Andy Ruiz and Alexander Usyk, but victories over Robert Helenius, Jermaine Franklin, Kubrat Pulev. I mean, he also destroyed Povetkin. He's got a knockout power. Unless the fight goes into deep waters, I believe Joshua going to win. So I have a strong faith and belief in Anthony Joshua to win, and I'm favoring Joshua here.